The sun actually a come back out, guys. The sun is coming back out. You know what that means? Hit that subscribe button and don't let me have nothing.
Rush-Dem Vlogs, Rush-Dem Vlogs.
Hello everyone, WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn, coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. Hoping all do alright. Hoping all keep safe and not stay in the yard. And the dog outside. Oh God, I mean them a come for you know. I guess I never meet guys. Yeah. But as me I said, I know where me gone a while ago, but me come back here now. So for this week vlog video, I feel a little bit motivational today. I'm feeling very inspirational today. Right now I feel like to encourage somebody. If you go through a hard time right now, and if rough, then the reason if you no comment below say rough. Say me that. Right about now, I come to talk to you about something very, very important, guys. And let me talk to you about it right now. But no walk with me. I'm kind of tired to sit down, so no walk with me. So right now, the sun actually a come back out, guys. The sun is coming back out. You know what that means? Guess what that means? That means that no matter how dark it might be right now in our life, no matter what kind of struggle I go through, no matter what I feel right now, like say nothing nah change and things nah get better. But as we can say right now, it dark, but the sun shall come out again. You shall see some light. The Bible says let there be light, and light are gonna come in your life. It a get back dark. But that's how life be. Sometimes it get dark. When you just go through one bag of struggle after struggle, and then sometimes you can light shine. But that should be enough motivation for you. For continue go on. Yes. Continue go on. Don't stop doing that. Don't stop believing on yourself. Me know it rough you know. People not have no money. People not work. People stuck in the hole, I got mad. It rough out there guys, trust me, me know. It rough for everybody. The whole point of this video is to make you know and live up and never give up. Continue push on the goals. If you can't do it right now, you do it when you can. But there's always something you can do during the time. You just need to find it. You just need to sit down on meds and think, say, alright, what I can do with all of this time when I quarantine or when I lock up in the house? A lot of people, they might be very productive in the house same way. You know much business, new business start since this whole corona quarantine. You know, them have people who make face masks and I sell online. Who would have thought that would ever be a business? You might see in situation you know, and it feel like say you're John. But sometimes you have to ball out for help. Yeah man, ball out for help. Cause you never know who will help you. When I real meds, you never know who willing to help you. So if you got your rough time you know, and you feel like say oh you need help, sometimes you have to talk. The Bible says you have to ask and it shall be given to you. Yeah man, I know a little bit of the Bible too. Sometimes you have to just open your mouth and ask. And all the time I can get it done. Because everywhere, you kind of rough with people you know still. So and all the time I can get it. But when I get what me I try to say, some people willing to help if they have it. And sometimes you can help somebody too. Because somebody else might need help. And everybody I go through it and not just you one in. And everybody I go through it, everybody I feel so. So I feel like say, this is the time for everybody for unite, for work together and give a helping hand when them can. Things might not get back to how it used to be, but we all have to adjust. Accept that this is going to be the new norm and try to adjust, which is the right thing to do for evolve yourself. With the time where we are living at, don't just be there and be like, oh boy, things rough. It's rough, guys, but the sun will shine again. It not shine right now, but as I said earlier, it will shine again. What am I telling you? I'm telling you that the sun is going to shine again. Yeah, guys, honestly, I never did a lie to you. The sun is going to shine again in your life. It might darken your life, you know, but it's going to shine again. Believe it or not. Yeah, man. It might be rough, you know, but it's not going to stay rough forever. Things might hard, but it's not going to stay hard forever. We're not going to go back to work. Yeah, man. We're not going to get back a job. And all of this we are going right, you know, shall pass. That's the point to me I try to make. It might seem dark, you know, but the light are going to come out again. Just like the sunshine and it go away, it always come back. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see all the obstacles in my way. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshining day. So now continue do what I do. Wanna continue believe, wanna continue pray. You know, wanna continue keep safe. Cause all of this shall pass. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. I hope you enjoy the video as much as me enjoy making it fun. But before I go away, I want you to remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button and like the video. Leave a comment below. Yeah, man, make me know. Let me know anything about the video. Let me know if you don't like to see more kind of them video here. You know, the first me do a video like this, some of them know. You know, usually me be all mad and crazy, but that's besides the point. Let me know how you feel. When I go on with right now. When you eat dinner yet? When you comment below and let me know if you eat dinner yet. When you eat for your Sunday dinner? Let me know when you eat. But long story, guys. Hope you are doing alright. Wanting to keep safe out there. You know, remember say the sun shall shine again. Things are gonna get better. And remember to share that video too. Yeah, man. Alright. I'm gone.
Thanks for watching. You can watch more videos down below on the left. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the right.